delighted to be here this morning to kind of launch the October Cybersecurity Awareness Month. And this particular month is going to be about securing our customers as customers first, and of course being always on, having our services on at all times. I think it's an important, very critical month when we actually talk about cybersecurity. We want to make sure that everyone across the country is aware about cybersecurity, is aware of the things that they can do to protect themselves, to protect their organizations, and also to protect their customers in the cyberspace. So it's quite critical. We are happy that we will be also discussing with our customers and generally the rest of the public on how they can secure themselves going forward. And if you look at just some of the things, is how they can ensure that they don't share their data, at any one time, how they will protect themselves by use of things like passwords, how they can protect even their resources in the bank by not sharing their pins and that kind of thing. So very important time, and also how they can actually be able to detect even some of those phishing emails or emails that can compromise their websites and of course their businesses.